Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Alter Tech and I'm here with the brand new Moto Z2 Force, which is on sale at sprint.com for just $120. Now if you didn't know, yesterday was Motorola's 90th anniversary, and to celebrate, I decided to unbox my Moto Z2 Force, the Tumi Style Mod, and the Moto Projector Mod. This is all part of my Moto Mod series, which will provide you with everything you need to know about the Moto Mods, and it'll give you reasons why you should go ahead and pick them up. Now outside the box, it states that this comes with a Moto Z2 Force, a headphone adapter, a USB Type-C cable, and a turbocharger. Now on the Sprint website, this is offered in two different colors, fine gold and super black. So I chose the super black and I gotta say, man, this phone is gorgeous. If you check out the back, there's this metallic black finish, and on the edges, it's as smooth as my iPhone 6s. It actually feels more premium and expensive than my old Motorola Xperia Edition, which was also a great phone. This feels thin, light, and it fits perfectly in my hands. Now you do get dual cameras, you have the Moto Mod pins on the back for Moto Mod connectivity, and the screen is a Quad HD display, which really surprised me. The colors really pop, the detail is amazing, and since it's AMOLED, the blacks are really deep. Now as soon as you get this phone, there will be a ton of software updates. Right now I've installed at least 6 and I have a few more to go. This is great because with each update, I'm noticing more features, especially with the camera. It's great to see Motorola keeping up with software updates, and I couldn't be more happier. Now let's check out the Tumi Style Mod. It is important that you protect the back of your phone, and I recommend using a style mod so that the back isn't exposed. This mod also has a metallic-like finish and provides extra comfort thanks to the curves. It is a bit thick, but it turns the phone into a big pebble so that it sits nicely in your hands. This mod also comes with a free Tumi widget, which tells you the weather in 2 different cities. Honestly, I really didn't like it, and I ended up uninstalling it right away. And finally, the Motorola Instashare Projector. This might be hands down one of the best mods Motorola developed, and I couldn't wait to try this out. Now in the box, you do get the projector, an instruction guide, and a pouch. Now the pouch is a nice add-on, but if you're traveling, I would suggest that you get something more durable that offers more protection. If we take a look at the projector itself, you will see a knob on the left to adjust the focus, and on the right there is a power button. It also has a kickstand on the back and air vents to dissipate the heat. Now some people have said they only get 60 minutes of watch time, while others have said 4 hours. If you want to find out how long it really lasts, I suggest you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I drop the full review. Alright, now this pretty much ends my unboxing video. If you have any questions about the Z2 or the mods, please leave a comment below. Alright, now I hope you guys have a great day. Peace.